So what's your name?
C.
Oh, Rose Lee. It's nice name. Where are you from?
Philippines.
What are you doing? Like your hair rumbling like that.
Yeah. I'm curling my hair.
Oh, okay. So you have a short hair,
And
am I
you?
right?
Ay, nalala mason.
Okay.
My grandmother.
Oh. He's just looking for you. That what are you doing?
No, you. He looking you.
Oh, he looking me. Okay, it's okay. No problem. So
Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Ah, Bangladesh. Nice.
Yeah, you're,
Nice
you're
to meet you.
yeah, nice to meet you too. What is that?
Is that effect?
Filter. Oh,
It's a filter.
okay. So
Yeah.
are you a
How are
student
you?
or what do you do?
I'm working.
How old are you then?
I'm 21.
Sorry,
21.
21. Oh, you are so young. So young.
Yeah. Yeah.
So did you complete higher study?
I'm working.
Okay,
How about you? How old are you?
I'm 24.
Oh. You are married?
No, I'm not married. I'm still single.
Single dad?
Yeah. No, single, not single. Dad, I'm still single. I'm a student.
Ah, okay. Nice. What? College? Are you
No, I'm
college?
I'm a university student.
Oh, nice. What you doing here in Bigo?
Nothing. I'm just looking my girlfriend.
Wow, girlfriend.
Do you have a boyfriend?
No?
No.
You have classmate, right?
Maybe I'm not
Girl.
sure. So why did you learn English?
My English is not enough.
Okay.
I'm trying. I'm Bisaya. You know how to speak Bisaya?
No, I don't know Bisaya.
I teach you.
I know Tagalog.
Tagalog. You know Tagalog.
Yeah, I know apa
You,
kabar.
what's that?
How are you?
What's the apakabar? How are you, apakabar? What language is that?
Oh, do you know kumusta ka?
Kumusta ka? Yeah. Kumusta ka? How are you?
Oh,
Good.
okay.
Nice.
Okay.
One more.
Uh, I don't know anything.
Only kumusta ka?
Yeah, only kumusta ka. So may I teach you
I'll teach
my
you how to speak
language?
Tagalog. Okay, teach me.
You can say আপনি কেমন আছেন?
Apni kamon achin. Asin? Asin? Nadaghang asin diri sa mo.
Yeah, you can repeat it. আপনি কেমন আছেন?
Apni kamon achin.
আমি ভালো আছি.
What is that? So nice there.
It means how are you?
You
How are you? Can you sing a song?
sing a song. What kind of song?
Any song, whatever you like. You can sing any song.
Okay. Okay, wait. Wait. Song daw po. Uy! Uh, what?
Let's start. Any song. Which one your favorite? You can sing your favorite song.
Okay. Um, sa ganun na. Close your...
Yeah, don't laugh. Just
Ay, may.
no problem.
So
Just
annoying.
no problem. Just yeah, singing.
Five little monkeys, Humpy Dumpy.
Yeah, very good, very good. You can continue, continue.
Five little monkeys, Humpy Dumpty. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys. That's all. Thank you.
I like
You.
it. I like it.
You like it, but you don't understand what I'm saying.
Yeah, what are you saying? What did you saying? What did you say?
Do you know what is monkey?
Monkey means banal.
Nothing, nothing. It's a gorilla.
Oh,
You. Joke.
do you mean me?
No.
Okay.
No. You look like gorilla. If I'm finished this, my hair curly. Curl.